sila aggressive talaga nila.
All the people in Brunei, they always buy.
Yan ang gold.
Yan ang Jollibee.
Oo nga. 125, $4. Trabaho mong bida-bida. All biscuit, yes. Nagyaw-yaw kami sa Brunei. Walang nanonood, kami lang. Kami lang ang tao dito. Ano? Oo, sige. Hindi ko nakikita yung point na bibili pa. Sabi ko, doon ako dadaan sa kabila. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi, doon ko umikot sa kabila.
Kukunti lang sila.
Oo.
Grabe, ang dami.
Vacant na. May rice.
Ay, hindi lang tayo. Sinamit mo yung papalo.
So gate 7. Ay, sa airport sa plane. Oo, yan nga. Yan yung gusto ko eh. Itong pansit na to. Ba't ano ba yung naasahan mo nung nakaraan? Yung price. Ang gusto niya yung chicken kasi parang siyang bonchon. Honestly, yun din ang nagustuhan ko.
Favorite na yung bonchon eh.
Masarap. Yung kinuha mo ng milk. Para siyang turon na ang sarap guys, ito. Para siyang turon, pero hindi siya turon. Alam mo kasi itong bansan to, na sobrang yaman yun, hindi niya kailangan ng tourist.
Oo.
Kaya may sa friendly tourist na country
Pero,
siya.
hindi nila kailangan ng tourist yung bubuto.
Oo. Guys, wala akong nakitang bus the whole time. Train, wala. Mga taxi, wala rin akong makita.
Wala man, no?
Wala, di ba? Lahat ng kakotse. Ganun sila kaya. Ganun sila kasobrang yan. Kaya ngayon sa immigration, ang tatapos nila eh. Diba? Hindi nila kailangan ng turista. Pero kung ano rin kasi, guys, wala ka rin gaano mapupuntahan ko. Yung mga dinala sa atin kahapon, ano lang eh. Parang, dahil wala kang mapuntahan for the sake of may mapuntahan. Parang gano'n. So, ang ginawa lang namin the whole time is matulog lang sa hotel.
Maganda kasi
Oo.
comfortable siya. Dalawa ang bed.
Oo. Yun lang, nagtulog lang kami talaga. Nag-recharge. Nalabas lang barang eh. Kasi hindi mo kakayanin din maglakad, guys. Sobrang init as ang lalayo ng lakaran. Dahil sanay nga sila nakakotse lahat. Wala akong makikitang ganong motor.
Pero meron.
One or two. Kahit nga yung Jollibee yung setup, hindi na papuntahan eh.
Yung grab food.
Wala.
Bakit grab food? Nila kotse.
Pero marami din Indians eh. Mga Indians yan talaga nasa lahat ng kanin. Maano sila aggressive talaga nila lately. Kahit sa Tokyo ngayon, ang mga empleyado ng airport, di ba Indians or Pakistani?
Naanap ko yung buhay. Nila pang buhay nila.
Hindi man bad yun. Totoo naman yun.
Nila pang buhay nila.
Ang sarap, gusto ko pa kumain pero parang wala lang akong paglagyan. Pag mabilis kang kumain talaga yung masama.
Ang oras na ba? Oo, gagawin.
Siguro mga 10 na.
07.
Tsaka iba rin talaga yung discipline nila dito. Erase na to sa ano, repeat. Subukan naman natin next, Dubai. Dubai. UAE, Riyadh. Australia. Yun ang mga next target ko eh. Ang gulay-gulay Europe. Tapos na. Ayoko na umalis. Fulfilled na ako. Sarap.
Ang naman yung parang ito.
Kuhaan mo makalagay mo ng email.
Ay, ang maalat siya.
Ako nga, ano?
Hindi siya yung ako nag-review. Ay, napansin ko dyan, isang maalat.
Tira mo ko ng malit pa ba?
On the mission deep inside, Franklin is tasked with stealing the JB700. If you want a copy of this rare car to appear
No?
in an impound lot, if you drive to Franklin's garage, in
Oh,
a few
man.
moments, the
Parang
game
curly
considers
lang.
you to own the car mission.
Ganyan, hindi natin sa Yung susugay sa masupag yung nag-absent na yun, di ba? Kaya lang yung gusto ng support.
Yun kasi madaling gawin food sa Pilipinas.
History.
Hindi kasi mga Pilipino masarap kumain. Kaya lalikas din tayong tamad. Totoo yun. Kaya mas na-overtaken tayo ng mga Chinese at Indians eh. Sa tamad natin. Okay na tayo na ganito lang buhay, okay na.
Pero, ito rin mga Pilipinas, mga resilient people. Sa mga nilaban nila, natatawa. Kapwa kami nito.
Masayahin kasi ng ganda.
Observation. Anderson Cooper. Naglalaba ko siya doon. Ikaw masasampayan, naglalaba ka. Totoo yun, no? Di ba?
That's 70. Depend on the agent. 170 to 160 like that.
Darren asked us that yesterday, but we told him we cannot make it because we're really tired.
Yeah, we just wanted to have a relaxed itinerary
Yeah.
before we go back to our normal work lives.
Yeah. Even like me also when it's like many times we have been visit to. The first time when I visit to Philippines,
Mhm.
I follow my wife. That's the first time when I asked her, I said from the airport you're going to your house. Is it near? Yes, it's near only. I said, how many minutes? Minutes? It's not minutes. It's hours, 3 hours. Oh my God! I said, you know, if you travel in Brunei for 3 hours, you already arrived from the district to the other district. Because we have 4 districts, right?
Yes.
From the Temburong district, we have Temburong, Burai Muara, Tutong, and KB. From the Temburong district, you're going to KB already like nearly 2 hours. You will arrive already. My God, I said, oh my God, it's very far. And then after that, when my wife bring me to the Cebu, we go to Cebu. And then we go by ferry. And then we come back from Cebu, we use the bus. Oh my God, from the 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we move from the Cebu, and then we arrive at there are no village in Dumaguete. I mean in the Negros. It's like nearly 12 in the midnight. That's a long journey, my God.
Philippines is big.
Yeah,
Very
that's
big.
why. Even the the Indonesian, my friend, my co-worker there, sir, they said, hello? Hello? Bakit ulit? Alright. Bakit lang?
Late nga naman kasi. There's no traffic here.
Yeah, it's not like in Philippines, right?
Yeah.
You know, before when I go to Vietnam also, Vietnam and Thailand, my God, even Philippines.
Thailand is overtaking us with the traffic jam.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And also that's the first time when I go to Manila, they have 2 roads, right?
Yes.
Economy and what you call the other one? The road?
The Skyway.
Skyway.
Yeah.
They said if you want to use the economy road, it will be traffic. It's like that. They say like that.
So you go to the Skyway.
Yeah. I said, oh, they have 2 ways in the Philippines. But here, sir, only traffic like now is the time 12 o'clock. And then because the people going back for lunch and then pick up the kids from school. Yeah, that's the time they will be busy. And then around 4:30, only busy time is morning, lunchtime, and afternoon. That's all. But I don't see it like in Philippines. Thailand. You will hear like many horns like like that. But here you cannot hear. But in Brunei, if you give horn to the people, they will get angry. Yeah, they will get angry. That's the only thing.
And there is no motorcycle.
Yeah. Very few motorcycle in here. So all the people in Brunei, they always buy car. That's why. There's only how many countries did you visit already, sir, ma'am?
Japan, Korea,
Wow.
Thailand, Cambodia.
You know, I mean, my wife,
Vietnam.
that's our bucket list.
Yeah.
We want to try to go to Korea. But the only thing is the ticket is very expensive. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a bit.
Yeah.
More or less 12 countries already. Yes.
Wow.
That's how we bond.
Through
It's
other
our-
countries.
What's this?
That's the mall.
Oh yeah, that's the mall.
Yeah. Only in Brunei we have 2 biggest mall. That one and the new one. The City Point.
In the Philippines, you have so many malls.
Yeah.
Every town
Like
we have a
in
mall.
Manila before the MOA.
Yes,
MOA.
MOA, yes.
MOA,
yeah.
I've been there. MOA, Victoria.
The Visoria is really difficult.
Yeah, it's very crowded. You know, ma, even in Cebu also. Wow, it's very crowded also in Cebu.
Here,
In Visoria, Visoria. Last time when we go there, I said, I tell to my wife, I said, this is the place. My God, it's very very busy. Many people. Of course lah, I said. But I think there's the one. I forgot the name of the place. Also, we've been there, like the night market. It's very cheap things you can buy there. I forgot the name.
How many times have you been in Manila?
Many times.
oh yeah, because
Because of your wife.
Yeah, my wife.
it's good.
Mostly we go to Manila first, then after that
Yeah.
we're going back to
Dumaguete.
Dumaguete, yeah. Excuse me.
Okay, so this is the mall.
That is the mall. This is the biggest mall only in Brunei. No more. How about in your place?
So many.
Yeah.
So many.
So many, right?
People like to go to the mall. The
Yeah,
Filipinos, they like to go to the mall.
Yeah lah.
Even though if they're not gonna
Buy
something,
anything.
Yeah.
Just gonna
Before
sit
mom, they have one shop here. They call it ukay ukay. They have here, and then suddenly I don't know. Now I don't know. Is still open or not yet? I think that is the building. That building. Then at the ground floor, you can check it later if it's still open. But in Philippines, we got a lot of ukay ukay there.
Yeah, we have a lot.
Sorry, be first. Thank you.
The traffic is not worse compared to us.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also
so
the parking here, you get to park,
all free.
all free.
Yeah.
See, the Philippines you have to pay.
Yeah, yeah.
First
Even
3 hours.
some of the guy that will give you park and then you park,
Yes.
you will give we give tips to them.
Additional money, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, ma, we will drop you at the entrance.
Okay.
So 4:30.
4:30, yes.
Yeah, 4:30 I will pick you up here, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy, yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Oo, malamang yun ang sinasabi talaga nun ngayon. Wala tayong pupuntahan eh. Oo. Tingnan natin yung Brunei souvenir. Kailangan ko na yung sticker. Sticker na lang naman ang kulang ko eh. Baka may Starbucks dito.
Wala namin internet.
Oo nga eh.
Alam mo, karami na pag-depende sa internet katulad na.
Hindi, wala naman tayo ibang way eh. May coffee bean, no? Pwede tayo magtambay dyan. Hanapin natin yung Starbucks mamaya. Silipin natin yung Mac. Walang gano'n pumupunta eh. Tingin ko. Milyaw-yaw nga eh, oh. Ayun, oh. Oh, ayun, oh. Yaw-yaw. Tingnan natin yung bilet tayo mamaya. Saan kaya tayo maghahanap ng Starbucks? Wala man lang mga stickers man lang souvenir. Pero marami rin store na yung meron sa atin. Polo, gusto kong long sleeve.
Ayoko mamili dito.
Ikaw naman, masyado ka namang matatakotin. Ayan yung gold, oh. Mama. meron pa silang Power Rangers dito. Sa laos na nga yan sa atin. Power Rangers. Oh, Hot Wheels. Ba, mura yun? 700. Yan ang gold.
Ba, may brilliant skin dito. Kalain mo.
May?
Brilliant skin. Sa atin yung gano'n.
Oo. Sinong niyan, titinda niyan?
Ha?
Sinong seller nun?
Yung mga independent
Ano?
Independent na
Kaya mo yan.
selling.
Kaya mo yan.
May Jollibee, oh. Jollibee. Ayan, oh, Jollibee. Oo nga. Oo, kung anong oras. Wala naman palang ano. Venom lang ang meron.
Red one, 125.
$125, $4 each. So 500 lang yung sale namin. Wala.
Hindi naman tayo sa food court kayo.
Nanood kami ng Red One. Kasi nagpapalipas kami ng oras.
Dito pa talaga kayo ng sige, ha?
Wala eh. Oo, 100 plus lang. 500 lang tayong tatlo. Although wala kasing popcorn yun.
Oo, sa bagay, you're right. Kaya ko naman yung popcorn.
Bida daw ang saya eh. Bida ang saya. Yung katrabaho mong bida-bida.
Ano mas malaki?
All biscuit, yes. Huh? Oh, yun ang hindi nila alam. Eh. Yes. Compared to medium and Sano mismo yan. So dumayo kami ng yaw-yaw dito lang. Nagyaw-yaw kami sa Brunei. Wala lang, trip-trip lang. Walang nanonood, kami lang. Kami lang ang tao dito. Kakaunti eh, no? Kaya naman, wala kang gano'n laman, oh. Kaya pag nagtayo ka na ng negosyo, lugi ka eh. Kasi syempre gusto mo marami rin pumasok. May Hello Kitty dyan, no? Baka gusto ni Margie yan. Isa pang floor yata yun, Coffee Bean. Feel good movie rin yung okay din. Pampalipas oras. Realme meron din, tsaka Oppo. Vivo. Meron silang appliances sa rent to own, no? Tinan mo. Parang installment din, no? Style installment. Ngayon, mag-coffee bean na lang tayo.
Wala na tayo maupuan.
Eh kahit nga parking, hindi ka mag-aalala sa dami ng parking. Sige na. Nandun ang CR yata eh.
CR din ako.
Ano? Oo, sige. So, free internet pa rin yung CBTL dito. Tinatanong nila ako kung may membership ako. Sabi ko, kung pwede ba yung Manila na membership dito. Kasi member ako sa Manila. Hindi daw. So, hindi ko rin nagamit. But, binayagan naman nila ako mag-connect sa internet. Kasi, hindi ko nakikita yung point na bibili pa ako ng wifi. Ay, ng SIM card or ng wifi kukuha. Kasi ang bagal talaga ng internet nila dito. Sobrang bagal as in. And pauwi na rin naman. So, papunta na kami airport in a while. Susundin kami ng 4:30 papuntang hotel. Then from the hotel to airport. By the way, may gusto lang akong i-topic, no, na kung pwedeng maiwasan bilang isang Pilipino. Isa to sa mga Filipino toxic culture eh. Napansin ko yung mahilig tayong mag-eavesdrop pagka nasa ibang bansa sa mga tao. So ang scenario was, we're looking for a bag, no? And then naka-video kasi ako dahil pinapipili ko ng bag. May sumabat na senior na nandun din sa store na yan. Narinig niya yung usapan namin. Sabi niya, huwag nyo nang bilhin dito yan. Sa Rustans yun na lang bilhin. The bag was Goyard, no? The store is yung bentahan ng mga used bags in Tokyo. So nakaka-disappoint lang, no? Yun yung first scenario, no? Unang-una, may nag-uusap po sa telepono. Hindi po kayo kasali. Pangalawa was in the airport, no, nakapila ako. And kasama ko yung anak ko. Sabi ko, iihi lang ako. And then yung senior na nasa harap ko na lalaki was telling me, doon yung CR. Tapos sabi ko, doon ako dadaan sa kabila. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi, doon ka umikot sa kabila. Huwag dyan. Parang, guys, kausap ko anak ko, hindi po kayo. Alam ko po yung kabutihang asal ng Pilipino, pero as long as hindi po kayo tinatanong or kinukuha yung unsolicited advice ninyo, huwag po nating ugaliing mag-eavesdrop. Kasi ang pangit po tingnan kung ganun po yung sitwasyon. Hindi po magandang tignan bilang Pilipino. So please guys, huwag sana natin ugaliin sa ibang bansa na pag hindi po tayo kinakausap, porket Pilipino tayo, sasabat tayo. Ako marami na akong beses na pag pumupunta ng abroad, may mga Pilipino na ako nakakasabay. Naririnig ko yung conversation nila pero never akong sumabat. Ang pangit po kasi tignan. And wala po kayong pakialam sa usapan po namin. Kami po yung nag-uusap. Ugaliin lang po natin na wag pong ganon. Kasi hindi maganda. Kung meron man po tayong comment, siguro sa sarili na lang natin. And nakakaya kasi pinagtitinginan kami ng mga Japanese. Kasi salita siya, ang lakas ng boses niya. Huwag na kayong bumili dyan, sa Rustans lang, sa Rustans. We're looking for Goyard. Pero kasi, ang bibili naman talaga is an LV. So, yun lang. Suggestion lang naman yun.
Mamaya inumin ko rin.
Yung charger mo bubuhay yung hiramin ko.
The perfect platform for you from 15th to 29th March 2025. Sense atmosphere filled with culture, commerce, and celebration. Register now at 245-5365 and receive 10% discount before December 31st. Follow at ramadanexpo.bn on IG for more info.
And we're back. Joining us here is Zeus Coffee brand rep, Mr. CEO Latte. Earlier, he dropped some mind-blowing facts. Zeus Coffee has already served over 85 million cups across Malaysia, Singapore, and the Philippines. That's huge! And now, it's time for our Thunder Round. Ready to spill the beans, CEO Latte? Let's do it! First up, what makes Zeus Coffee so unique?
It's specialty coffee, made affordable for everyone. With Zeus Coffee, it's a necessity, not a luxury.
And what about Brunei?
We're coming. Get ready, Brunei. November 2024.
Hold on. Let's make it crystal clear. Zeus Coffee is
The #1 tech-driven coffee chain in Malaysia.
So, why Brunei?
Because Brunei's coffee scene is exploding.
Boom! You heard it here first. Zeus Coffee is coming. Thanks again for the inside scoop, CEO Latte.
Thanks for having us.
Don't miss it. Follow them on IG at ZeusCoffee.bn. And stay tuned. Zeus Coffee is going to redefine your coffee routine.
Ever wish topping up could be more rewarding? With VIP's Top Up the Lucky promotion, your everyday transactions could lead to fantastic prizes. From the 1st of October to the 31st of December, each successful top-up to VIP away the latest and greatest in electrical gadgets. It's that easy. Every transaction counts. The more you top up, the higher your chances to win. Don't miss out. Start topping up today with BIBD and turn your transactions into unforgettable rewards. Visit BIBD.com.pn for full details. Terms and conditions apply. BIBD, Brinayan at heart. Your music, your life, you're with your favorite. Crystal FM. Kicking it old school.
This traffic update is brought to you by Crystal Media. We are here to prove your brand forward. From all things radio, eye-catching videos, digital campaigns, we create content that connects with your audience and helps your business grow. Ready to elevate? Visit www.crystal.media today.
Alright guys, that's right. Stay informed with Crystal FM's traffic and travel update, keeping you ahead on the road. So at the moment it is 5:02 on the clock, and the Jalan Gadong, Jalan Gadong is looking pretty congested and backed up at the moment. Just heading to that T junction with Sultan Hasan Bolkiah freeway. Okay. After that, it is looking a little bit backed up as well, and then I'm just directing my attention to around the mall where it is also looking a little bit congested. So people might be going there to do some shopping after work or picking up their kids from school or something like that. Moving on to John Pasang, that road is also looking a little bit congested on the way to Stippry, on the way to and on the way back, I feel. So not surprising there, because of course it is time to pick up kids from afternoon school. Jalan Jamia Asri also very much congested on both sides of the Jamia Asri roundabout as usual. If you are going past St. Andrew's School, that whole area is looking jammed as well, all the way up to
Gusto nila
where
manual pa.
the fire station is. So yeah, after that though, all clear roads, except for after that when you go to John Raja Street and Anak Saleha, where it is starting to build up there, the traffic. Okay, so if you're out early, maybe you might be able to miss the worst of it. Okay, so that is our traffic update for today, 5 p.m. It's proudly brought to you by Crystal Media, your go-to partner for all things media, marketing, and radio. At Crystal Media, we specialize in content that moves people, from creating eye-catching videos and powerful digital campaigns to managing events, and of course, bringing you Brunei's most engaging radio. With our deep-rooted broadcasting, we know how to amplify your message and connect with the community.
Ayan yung market,
So if you're ready to level up your brand, whether it's through the airwaves or online, we have the
Sayang.
tools to make your business stand out. Visit www.crystal.media to learn
Yun yung kinainan ni
more.
Mr.
And that
Chewy,
wraps
eh.
up your latest traffic update.
Oo, malayo,
Sponsored
malayo.
by Crystal Media. Stay safe and stay tuned in to KFM.
Nakahanggang 8 lang yung
This
bukas.
traffic update is
Oh.
brought to you by Crystal Media. We are here to move your brand forward. From all things radio, eye-catching videos, digital campaigns, we create content that connects with your audience and helps your business grow. Ready to elevate? Visit www.crystal.media today.
Alright guys, we've got Blue
May pera
by
asawa
Access
nun
65
kasi
coming out right after
nasa
50
abroad
Broken
eh.
Heart.
Wala rin ako. Wala, dapat kasi ang Pinoy Sweet and Real. Kung hindi lang darating siya.
Traffic niya, no? Oh, yun naman sinabi niya. Isa sa umaga, isa sa tanghali, isa sa hapon. Pero beyond that, wala na.
Traffic pa ba yan? Lagi na yan.
Oh, sa atin, worse pa yan sa atin. Maganda-ganda pa yan kaysa sa atin.
Happy ka pa kung pwede.
Umaandar pa rin. Sa atin, hindi umaandar eh. Oo, meron. Tsaka pansinin mo, lahat ng bahay dito malalaki yun.
Oo.
Malaki kasi ang lupa dito.
Gusto konti lang sila.
Oo.
Dami yung sasakyan.
Oo,
Kaya nga eh.
ilan yung sasakyan nila?
Mapera nga. Mapera nga ito.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Ito meron isa 5.
Oo. dito talaga, ano, matalino ka. Para magkapera ka ng marami talaga. Wais ka, ika nga. Oo.
Parang tayong nag-orient. Kung naiyan natin ang haba na ng pila dyan.
Oo, totoo.
Lalo na din itong oras. Holiday Inn ba dito? Wala.
Oo, parang meron. I-check ko mamaya.
Grabe, ang dami.
Vacant na. Mga sandalian lang siguro yan.
Oo. Ano waiting? Naka-card ko na ba yun?
Ha?
May card ko tayo.
Hindi na. Isa lang naman. Magan pa.
Paano naman yung backpack mo?
Pikon na naman si Mamshi. Ano yan sir? Ito mo na? Ano nangyari? Malinis naman dito.
May bidet. May wipes ako.
Oh.
May tissue.
Ano? Gusto mo huwag na muna kumain?
Kakain mo na.
Meron pa akong panghugas ng kamay kung gusto mo. Kinuha ko yung isang shower gel eh. Kain mo sige. Papa.
Ay, Jollibee yan eh. Bida ang saya.
Sa labas, no?
Bida-bida.
Ano ba gusto mo? Chicken?
It's everyone's favorite. Chicken. Oo. So meron silang ano yan? Cheesy fries, no? Dati meron tayo niyan eh. Nalis nila eh. Tapos meron silang crispy chicken. Crispy fries. Tapos yung puro chicken na ano na spicy at saka chicken sandwich na spicy. Oo, ang rinig ko kasi fries. Kasi automatic yung pag sabi mo chicken a la carte,
May rice.
may rice.
Ay, kundi lang tayo na. Kasi alam ni Kuya, papalo ko. Sabi ko, what's this? Tapos may nilagyan siya niya. Ano po kasi yan?
Pilipino ba?
Hindi na ako pumila siya pumasok. Right? Naglilinis na lalaki.
Hindi kasi pinaliwanag eh. Ang rinig ko kasi fries, kaya tumanggi ako.
Ganyan po talaga yan. Yung kung gusto mo bili ka ng rice, 50 cents lang. Tama.
Hindi lang yun ha, 20 pesos na yun.
Lang ba ka nila rin, sir?
So, katatapos lang namin sa immigration. Walang katao-tao, kami lang. Grabe. Ba't kaya ganun? Akin na, yung ano. So, gate 7, no? Dito tayo sa kanan. Pero nasa ng Starbucks. Ito, oh.
boss. Okay.
Nako, sarado na ata. Yun lang. Grabe. Kaya ikaw lang ang mag-gacha.
Mahulog ng cellphone mo.
Totoo kaya itang may lalabas sa pagkain? Mura to ah. Totoo nga. May pagkain tayo sa airport eh. Ay, sa airport, sa plane. Hindi, natanong ko lang naman. Paano kaya niya iinitin yun?